Welcome everybody. Continuing GoBot week, we've got Turbo. There's actually some stuff inside him. You can see the electronics, quote unquote, inside him. But he's very similar to Crasher's transformation, just down, but his head rolls around in his. He was one of the main protagonists. It was him, Scooter, and and Leader One were the main good guys on the show. I think his nemesis was sort of Crasher from yesterday, the race car versus sport car. Let's say he had get a good look at his face. I've been doing that with him. Maybe. Doesn't want to get. Come on. Grab him. This is going to be most of the video. There he goes. Just random face that they look like they stuck on, and I don't know why they put a mirrored reflector here. It doesn't really do anything other than just, I may cover up a seam or something up there, but it's not part of the transformation or anything. But I actually do, all his wheels are still intact, and tires too. He's wonky, but he's rolling. I definitely think he needs an alignment, but they all say not. Sort of what we thought a sports car should look like in the 80s. A spoiler and sort of low slung. What did I say? He was a big brawny hothead in the cartoon, from what I remember. But they're barely hanging on with these pieces. This plastic is really showing its age, so I'm gonna have to quit playing around with this one, especially because he got a lot of transformations done, because he was one of the main ones, and I really played with him a lot. But anyway, let me get focus back up again. Maybe. Come on. Okay. But anyway, there's Turbo. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. I'll see you next time.